Okay, you guys, hello. It is Vlogmas Day 3. It is Saturday. I wish I could say it was morning, but it is 2 p.m. And I have had the laziest morning, and I've loved every moment of it. Something about, I mean, when it's rainy, I just always want to bundle up and lay around my apartment. So we've done that for several hours now. I got my vlog up today, and I've just been kind of relaxing, watching YouTube videos. And now I'm gonna start getting ready because I saw a singular TikTok that shaped the trajectory of my day. I'll show you guys. I saw this TikTok of, oh, that was a TikTok that also popped up. I saw this video of a soda shop in Brooklyn, and they posted a video of their hot chocolate, and I instantly sent it to my friends. And they're like, when are we going? And I said, I'm ready to go today. And they're like, same. So we're all getting ready and we're like, damn. I didn't really have plans during the day anyway, aside from getting a little bit of work done this morning. And now my only plan before was I'm going to dinner with my friend and her family that are in town at 6:30 in the Upper East Side. So we're gonna go to this little diner soda shop kind of place at 4, and then I'll probably just go to dinner from there. So I'm gonna start getting ready now. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but it is a rainy day, and then I might stay on the Upper East Side and get drinks afterwards. So we will see. We're just along for the ride. And then tomorrow I think I'm gonna do some quintessential New York Christmassy stuff with my friend who's new to the city and hasn't done that kind of stuff yet. And it's always fun to like go see the Rockefeller tree and go to Brunch Park and all of that. So I'll bring you guys along for these 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So I'm just face rolling, trying to depuff. Last night we went out, kind of like, it was a pretty low-key night, honestly. We went to a couple bars in Nolita after I had my dinner, which was at the end of my previous Vlogmas vlog. And I ended up getting home pretty late. Even though it was like a low-key night, we were out late. When I'm doing lymphatic drainage, like face rolling and stuff, I saw a video that you're supposed to actually open your lymph nodes first to allow it to fully like drain and stuff. And I don't know that I'm pressing in the right spots, but essentially I heard that you're supposed to press above your collarbone, but also it's like, it's kind of a wide area. Like, I don't know the exact spot it is. I should probably like do more research into this, but you're supposed to press like 10 times, and then in front of your ears, which also I don't know if it's like up here, down here, I don't know. Maybe it's above. And then the sides of your nose and the inner corners of your eyes, you press those all 10 times, and that's supposed to like open up your lymph nodes before you do things like gua sha and jade rolling and whatever you do for your face rolling. But yeah, I'm saying that I'm probably a little bit puffy because I drank last night, and we're rolling it out. I am so excited for this hot chocolate, you guys, you don't even know. I decided to go for brown and ivory kind of outfit. It's very casual. I'm just wearing light wash jeans and this brown scoop neck. These are my Zara jeans that I always wear. And this coat is a Newly rental. It's not as cold today because of the rain. I think it's like 50s. So this is good because it's not super heavy actually, even though it looks, it's like warm enough, but it's not a heavy coat. It's a versatile outfit to go from hot chocolate soda shop to Italian restaurant for dinner to meeting friends for drinks. So that's what we're going with. And yeah, I thought about returning this Newly box today so I could order new stuff because I feel like I need really warm coats now. But I'm gonna wear this last one and then probably return on Monday to get new stuff next week. I'm so excited to try this hot chocolate, you guys. You saw that video. If it didn't make you wanna just drop everything and go get that hot chocolate, we are not the same. I said she's gonna be there at 4:15, so I actually don't even think I need to leave yet because it's only 20 minutes for me, but it just depends on the G train. It doesn't like to run on time on weekends. But look how cute it looks from the pictures. Okay, this ring light is too much. I haven't been to a place like this, just like a wholesome, old-fashioned soda shop kind of establishment in a minute. Wow. Wow.
We're getting it on the cusp. Yeah. Because it just went and we were at a place called Hard to Explain, which was just on, do you follow NYC Days Class? It was just on there, and
Okay, you guys, that place with the hot chocolate was so freaking good. That toasted marshmallow changed my life. So if you're in New York, you have to go. Highly recommend. I had a peppermint one and it was delicious. They have them with oat milk if you don't want dairy. Amazing. So I hung out with my friends for a bit and now I'm taking the train to the Upper East Side to meet some people for dinner. Good morning, happy Sunday. Today it's finally sunny and we're going out on the town. I'm eating half a bagel. I misjudged my time this morning and I edited the rest of this vlog because I want to get like on top of it. So I got that done this morning and then I was like, oh shit, I have to leave in less than an hour. I need to get ready and figure out what I'm wearing and all that jazz. But basically today, I think I mentioned yesterday, because I just edited the footage, that my friend and I are gonna do basic New York Christmas stuff. And we're going to the Rockefeller tree. I haven't seen it since they did the lighting. I mean, it was only on Wednesday, so it's not like it's been forever, but and then probably like the Bryant Park holiday market and stuff. And we'll see what else we get up to. Honestly, we're kind of both like go with the flow about what we want to do today. So we're gonna start there and then see where the day takes us. I haven't really done anything Christmassy in the city besides the hot chocolate thing yesterday, but you know, that's not like a New York quintessential thing. We went to dinner at Uva next door in the Upper East Side, which I've never been to, or Uva, and they had the most delicious gluten-free pasta. It was amazing. I got whatever it was, alla vodka. I think it was just their gluten-free was penne, but I don't know what the normal dish is called, is what I'm saying. But highly recommend if you're looking for gluten-free. I also get a surprising amount of DMs. Again, I'm not 100% gluten-free and it's not like an allergy for me. It's just my eczema, like my skin flares up, and I did notice like I'm getting a little bit on my hands and stuff, and that's usually where it comes first when I'm eating gluten and dairy again. So I try to avoid it most of the time, and usually it's like 80-20% of the time, and on weekends I'll have like one gluten meal or whatever. But I get a lot of questions about people wanting gluten-free recommendations in the city, and I'm not like the best source of information for it, but I have tried quite a few places. So I have an Instagram highlight. I should have taken a picture. I didn't get any content at dinner. I should have taken a picture of my pasta though and put it on that highlight. But Uva next door, and I think Uva has gluten-free too. Super good. Then afterwards we ended up going to Anita Gelato, which is a really famous gelato place that always has a door or a line out the door. It was so good. I had already been like kind of sugared out, so I didn't eat much of mine, but it was delicious. They had a lot of dairy-free options too. I got like a watermelon basil flavor and a dairy-free dark chocolate. And the dairy-free dark chocolate, so good. I can't believe it was dairy-free. I really didn't end up getting much content last night because we were just like in the moment, and it was so much fun getting to hang out with my friend and her family and just like hear their stories, and we were all laughing, and it was just a good time. So a good night overall. So that was a little recap, and now we're gonna have a day since it's sunny outside. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear, but I want to wear my beanie, I think, because my hair is a little bit greasy, so I'll have to figure out something to go around that. Okay, I'm gonna keep eating my bagel, getting ready at a rapid pace, and figuring out what to put on my body. Kind of feel like this beanie might clash with the pattern of my coat, but Oh well, I'm gonna wear it anyway. So this is my recent Zara purchase beanie that I've been loving, and this coat is from Lulu's. It's kind of like a little tiny houndstooth print, I think, but it's a brown and white kind of mix. So that's the color scheme that we're going for. This top is also Lulu's, and these pants are Anthropologie that I bought from Nuuly. So I'm wearing tennis shoes because we're probably gonna be walking a lot. And it's just an all neutral look. Yeah, I'm kind of second guessing it, but at this point, oh well, it's very comfortable and warm, and that's the most important. So I'm gonna go grab the train and head to Rockefeller Center. 'Tis the damn season. We're going in the hut! I'm so excited! Okay, follow this man.
Get our cake.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Maybe they'll bring them to us. In the hut next to Rockefeller Center, Elizabeth spilled her coffees. And look at this view! Although there's no one skating at the moment. It's a pretty great view. Everyone, I feel like I'm starting a YouTube video in 2013, sitting in front of my bed with a tripod. I say that because I just got off of FaceTime with my friend. My friend Elizabeth came back here with me, and we FaceTimed our friend Lauren from college for like a couple hours, and we were sitting because we wanted to both be in the shot and not hold a phone, so we did it on my laptop. In the background was just like us on the couch like this, and it felt like we were filming a YouTube video. But I had the loveliest little Christmas day. You guys saw, we went to Rockefeller Center, and they had the whole setup again where all you have to do is buy like a coffee, or they have like churros, a couple little sweets at this stand. I can't remember what the sponsor is this time. Last year it was Chanel, but this year it's a company I had never heard of. It's like a little hut, and then they escort you into one of the little ski hut things. So you get 20 minutes window there, and you get to see the perfect view of the skating rink and the tree, and it was so special and magical, and I'd highly recommend. So I'm glad we were able to do that, because I tried to do that multiple times last year and flopped. And we didn't have to wait or anything. It was great. So that was fun. And then from there, we walked down Fifth Ave. They have it blocked off, so it's like all walking streets. Well, not all, but for a few blocks, and it's so nice because it's so crowded usually, so I'm glad they finally did that. We didn't see the Saks light show because it was during the day, but I'll probably see that another time because I'm sure I'll be back in that area. And then we walked down to Bryant Park. We saw some carolers on the steps of the library, and we walked around Bryant Park. Insanely crowded. We were gonna go and get, oh, I forget what it's called now. There's a really famous, oh, raclette, of the melted cheese sandwich kind of place, and the line was wrapped around. We started waiting in it, and then we're like, you know what, this is not worth it to us. So we decided to take the train, and we went to cafeteria for a little brunch lunch, which I've always wanted to go to cafeteria. It's like a really cute elevated diner experience, I guess. I've never gone because they never have reservations, but I just called them. We're like, oh yeah, we have plenty of space, you can just walk in. So we walked in, and we were able to sit like almost immediately. And what I really wanted today was tomato soup and grilled cheese, and that's what I got, and it was so good. They have like a soup and Sammy combo, and then we shared a salad, and it was chef's kiss comfort food. So then from there we went, and Elizabeth wanted hot chocolate, so we went to this little, we walked to West Village and went to a place, what was it called? I'll look it up because I actually do want to share these things. This has been a lot of hot chocolate this weekend. Bar Pisolino on Grove Street, and she got the hot chocolate, and it was so thick and chocolatey. It was insane. Very, very good. I tried some. Very rich. It's like a dessert, but it was definitely like the hot chocolate itself was way more rich and like actually melted chocolate than the one I had yesterday, but super good. So if you're looking for hot chocolate in the West Village, it's rated one of the best in New York, I guess. We looked it up. It's evening time, 7 p.m. I'm gonna make some dinner and chill out. I'm excited to like make my own food because I've eaten out quite a few meals this weekend. It's been a really nice weekend, and I don't know, just like a lot of fun things, and I've gotten to see a lot of people, and it's been really good. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna clean up my apartment a little bit, do my Sunday reset. It's not very much of a reset. I'm very much excited for that. I still have salmon that I made the other day, so I'm gonna make a little like red bell pepper corn salsa salad to go with it. I feel like this weekend was so refreshing, and like I've been around a lot of people that just kind of like energize me, you know? Feeling really grateful, I think. And then we're gonna start off a new week tomorrow. So it's pretty much my vlogmas for today. I'll probably film a little bit. Maybe I'll show you guys my dinner, and I don't know what else I'll film. It's probably not even that interesting from here, but I'm watching White Lotus. I had dinner, did a little bit of cleaning, dishwasher's running, and it's like 9:15. I paused it because my friend also texted me that she's watching it, and she was a little bit behind me, so I told her I would pause it and we can live text while we're watching it. While I'm waiting for her, I thought I'd end the vlog because I really don't think I'm gonna film or do anything else worth filming. Even since I last spoke to you, vacuuming was hardly worth filming, and I forgot to show you my dinner. So this is the end of Vlogmas day 3. I mean, it's not day 3, Vlogmas 3. Today's the 4th, so this will be up. Wait, this is supposed to go up tomorrow, so I need to edit it. So maybe I'll try and edit a little bit while I watch, and also wake up in the morning and finish it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, wherever else you feel like it. And yeah, hope you're enjoying the vlogs thus far. It's only been a few of them so far, but I'm already much happier with this every other day vlogging situation. I also need to finish unpacking my suitcase that has been there for several days at this point, but maybe I'll finish that tonight. Okay, love you guys. See you next time. Bye.